morning, children. So today we are going to learn about the functional groups. So last class we discussed about the hydrocarbons, how we want to name the different types of hydrocarbons, alkanes, everything. So now we are going to learn about the functional group. What is functional group? See, children, it's a hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons is the carbon with hydrogen. That's the hydrocarbon. Here we are showing the functional group is a group of atoms that are responsible for the mechanical properties of a carbon compound. Here instead of H, carbon, instead of H, these are the functional group will come instead of this. These are the functional group. Follow chlorine is the reaction with the one of the hydrogen atom will be, suppose it will be chlorine, or it will be bromine, or it will be iodine. These are reaction with the some other elements, not the hydrogen, some other elements. The carbon is reacting with the some other elements is the functional groups. The group of atoms that are responsible for the chemical properties of a carbon compound. Here, this as example I give you mix here. I give here Cl. What is the carboxyl group here? Cl. Follow group is substitute for the H atom here, bromine. Or here I keep here OH. What is the OH here? Alcohol group. Here alcohol group. Same carboxyl group. Here carboxyl group will come in here. Here COH. O. This will come under carboxyl group. If I want to make it alkyne, so this CHO. This the changes will happen here. The hydroxyl group, this all the changes will happen here. So what are the functional groups here? What are the formula of the functional groups here? They are given here. First, chloro, bromo, iodine, chlorine, bromine, everything is substitute instead of hydrogen atom. If here hydrogen atom is there, here hydrogen atom. Instead of hydrogen atom, I am substituting Cl or bromine or iodine. This all will come under the chloro-bromo functional group. Next, coming to the alcohol group. Alcohol group is OH. Alcohol group is OH ions. Next, carboxylic group will come under carboxylic group OH. Here O. Double here. There. Then the covalent bond, double bond here. Here single bond here. Next, coming to the alkyne. Alkyne that CH here double bond with the oxygen. Next, keton. If it is keton functional group means here double bond, here C. So according to this, it will be changed. I want here some naming of the carbon compound. How we can name the functional group? So functional group, they are given formula, they are given suffix and prefix. According to the suffix and prefix, how we did for the naming of the hydrocarbon, same way we want to do. So alcohol, here HOH. So OL, last term will take OL. Alkanes, then we are taking AL. Here carboxylic acid, OIC, we are taking the last terms. And keton will take it as ONE. Last three letters I am taking ONE. Alkyne is chlorine or bromine or iodine, fluoro. This will come is a prefix. Before it will come. This all will come after that. So step 1. What is the step 1? Identifying the number of carbon atoms in the same. First step is same in the hydrocarbons also, functional groups also. In the hydrocarbon also, the step 1, what is we want to count how many carbon atoms are there. Here, mono, 1, 2, 3, 4, where up to 10 you learn what is the carbon atom. It is 1 methane, methane, like that propane. So here how many carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms are there. So you want to count how many carbon atoms are present here, and next coming identify the functional group here. Which is the functional group here? What is the functional group here? OH. OH will come under alcohol group. Which is the functional group for OH? Alcoholic group. So Here change will come. How many carbon atoms here? 1, 2, 3. So propane. So next suffix will come OL. So the name will come propanol. Clear? So here what is the functional group here? Functional group is alcohol. So last letters will come OL. Suffix will come OL. So we want to add the suffix before after the number of carbon atoms. What is that? Alkane. Here propane. So 4 carbon atoms are here. Sorry, 3 carbon atoms are there. So coming as propane is this E. Instead of E, we are taking and adding the OL. Propanol. Here, then hydrocarbon means we will name it as propane. When coming to the functional group, what we have, this E we will remove and add the suffix OL, propanol. So, same way we want to name it in the each functional group. I will show you now some more examples. If it is carboxylic group, HCC, if it is here carboxylic group, here this is coming under carboxylic groups here, see this. Carboxylic group means this coming under carboxylic group means we want to replace and we want to count how many chains are there here. Then we want to write oxalic acid. What is the carboxylic acid we are cutting here? Oxalic acid. So what is coming here? Butane. First it will come butane. Next it will come, you want to remove this, then you want to add butanoic acid. We want to add the suffix this much instead of this. We want to remove the E, then we want to add the carbonic acid. What is the suffix is coming that we want to add here. Next example, alkane. If it is alkane, so what is the alkane group here? C, H, this will come last group instead of H, what is this coming? We want to change. What is the chain here? Butane olein. For butane olein I am taking. So butane instead of E, what is the will come suffix here? Alane OAL, butanol. So suffix AL. So butanol. So here, so according to the functional group, we want to change the suffix here. Next, I am going to add your ketone. Ketone always present in the middle term. Ketone every time will be in the middle term. Ketone will be in the middle term. So here H, C, 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 H. So chain will come butane olein. So suffix will come 1. So butanol will come butane. So these are the according to the functional group. You want to by heart this suffix. This is very important. You want to know which are the group is coming. Is also very important. Functional group, if it is OH, you want to know it is come under the alcoholic group. If it is here, this the part, we want to know this coming under carboxylic group. Here it means aldehyde group, or say like that ketone group. We want to know the last part of that. Then we want to add the according to the functional groups here. All this. Next here it will come here allied. It will come prefix only, not suffix. It will come prefix. name. What is fluoromethane or fluoromethane or chloromethane or iodine methane or fluoroethane, propane, chloropropane, like that, everything will come before. In this functional group, before only it will come. Rest all the groups it will come after. Suffix here, prefix will come. In rest all the functional group it will come suffix. So once we are going to see, children, I will show the points to be remembered here. Step 1, identify the number of carbon atoms present in the given chain. We want to count how many carbon atoms are present here. You can count here 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. According to the before section, I teach you how the atoms are there. According to the hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, what are the names are coming up to 10. I already teach you. According to that, you want to know. And next, coming to the looking forward, the functional group, which is coming under the which functional group it will come. Whether it is alcohol, alkanes, or carboxyl group, or ketone, or halide, it will come. It will be there. Next is coming, if the functional group is a suffix, then the removed from the alkane and suffix to be corresponding the present functional group is inserted. If the functional group is prefix, that means that last group only will come here. Fluorobromine is coming to the not a suffix, it is coming the prefix you want to add. Rest all will come a suffix group. So first we want to know whether it is coming to the which functional group and how many atoms are present. According to that, we want to name the each carbon compound. So here, what is the hydrocarbons differ from the functional groups? What are the functional groups here? Alcohol, alkanes, carboxyl group, ketone, alkyne. These are all the functional groups. So I hope you are clear this functional groups topic. Thank you, children. Thank you so much. Why do you laugh?